everyone, welcome back to Sunday Live Show, and thank you so much guys for tuning in. Well guys, I'm back again with the Mzansi Soapie Stories, and namhlanje ke sikhuluma ngeSibongile and the Dlaminis. Yes guys, singenile ku season 2 we story sethu la sibone khona futhi sizobona khona ke a lot of changes njengabadlali ke abasha ke kulomdlalo. Yesterday we met our new Sibongile guys after ke ukuhamba kuka Luyanda Zwane nongacacanga ke izathu sokuhamba kwakhe endaweni ke yakhe guys kungena intokazi ke sencane ke untsikelelo kubuya sengazi uthi ke kali abantu ke noma babukeli abamamukeli kahle Nkosi yami vele bekuvele kuzoba njalo ke abamamukeli kahle uSibongile omusha njengoba lokube bhalile kwinkundleni zokuxhumana bethi cha thina sifuna uSibongile omdala but ke guys it's still early bakithi nika untsikelelo I chance to prove herself and not being compared angacomparishwa ke bakithi no Luyanda Zwane. Let's check the comment zababukeli ke after the first episode ka season 2 uthi komunye bring back Luyanda Zwane, uthi omunye hayi shame after waiting for Monday and come to this, I'm not watching this ever again. Why was Bo changed? There's no need to provoke her, she's still new, and another thing, we will get used to her, and mina I like her, let's give her a chance. Nginawe we Amanda kulokho kushoyo wasithumunye ke we want all Sibongile. This one very talented. One thing I can say, they know how to replace. She looks like old Sbosh. I'm happy, we love you new Sbo, prove us wrong. Wathumunye ke uSibongile bembiza ngobabana not ubaba. I miss old Sibongile mna ngeke. The last person, I miss the old Sibongile. Will take time for me to get used to the new Sbo, but I'm always open to change and giving other actors a chance. Hope old secret will be revealed soon in the new season. The fake baby of Nomalanga and Deliwe stealing Sibongile's book. So yeah guys, nami ngithi cha bakithi akanikwe ithuba untsikelelo. Sina sake sashintshelwa ke ukaMadonsela bakithi kwimbewu. Esasibona bimbewu sake sashintshelwa ukaMadonsela. Yey kwashuba inyanga yonke. But ke sagcina simamukelile futhi nje wayinela leya character ayikade idlala ke guys. That brings us to the end of this video. Do leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.